So guys, today we're on the second monkey beach. We're doing a snorkeling tour today. So we're gonna meet up with some monkeys again. Hopefully today they don't steal the camera, but who knows. We're going to the water now and just chilling with the monkeys, and after that I think it's gonna be snorkeling. So as you can see, there's also a lot of monkeys and they already tried to steal something, so we'll have to be careful. But now he's just sitting there chilling. But this is an even more secluded beach. As you can see, it's on the other side of the island, and it looks very beautiful. Oh, der will was klauen. Cool, der will was klauen.
Was heißt denn das?
So, der will. So we tried to steal the purse. So guys, as you can see, there's a big grave of people, and I don't quite know about it because there is a monkey and his family sitting in the middle, and there was a trash bag flooded to the beach
with a lot of plastic bags, and this, the people just stand around and look how the monkeys eat plastic and
pull it all apart, and the babies eat out of plastic and everything, and the people just stand beside there and are like, oh my god, look at the monkey,
sweet.
Look at the
monkey.
monkey.
It's so sweet how the monkey eats plastic, right?
Yeah, wow. So I don't know about it, not the best thing in the world, but I think that's a part of tourism. And yeah, as you can see, now here are many people. Yeah,
and they're all just with their phones. Yes, we are with our cameras too, but I don't have to film how a monkey eats a plastic bag. What the?
Yeah. But I hope the rest of the snorkeling tour is gonna be a little bit more better, and we don't see too much plastic in the ocean, because it's just a sad thing. But who knows? You never know. He went to steal his bottle and now he got it. And he tries to open it from the bag and then to drink again. So smart. They always bite in the bag.
One sharp teeth, and with that we bite it and then they drink.
It's really funny how they do it.
That's the second technique. They also had the other technique with
to open. Yeah, but they can't drink it as good when they open the bottle. So they just drink it like this. They just come up behind you and try to steal your things.
I think they have good eyes. They see everything.
Arrived at our first snorkeling spot, and we're putting on our equipment now, and then we just
see some sharks,
jumping in the water. I doubt that we're gonna see sharks, but who knows. We'll take you with us because the GoPro is waterproof, but only to a certain extent, so hopefully it doesn't go to waste here.
Let's see some sharks.
Okay guys, we're ready. So we're just gonna jump in. Nee.
Just go and look. There's so
We made it to Maya Beach, I think it's called now, and as you can see it's really built up and it's made for a lot of tourists, so we'll have to see. I don't even know what's on here, to be honest, but we're just walking into the island now, and yes, we'll have to see what we find. So we'll come soon out to the beach, and this is probably one of the most beautiful beaches here, and we'll have to get to the viewpoint, but there's a lot of people here, so just gonna sneak to the front.
Like 1, 2, 3.
Oh, guys. So guys, we made it. We made it to the most beautiful beach,
Maya Beach, and there are too many people for me.
Yeah, it's
And you're
quite
not
a lot.
allowed to swim, but I think there's a reason because you're not allowed. Because this beach is the cleanest beach I've ever been, the beautiful beach I've ever been. And I think if you allow people to go in there, it would be the nicest beach. And look at this scenario with the rocks who are split in many little rocks and the crystal clear blue water.
Yeah, and it's so hidden away, so that's really stunning. But unfortunately you can't do much. You can look at it and then it's over again. So we're just gonna enjoy this epic view and we'll hit you up when we go snorkeling again. We're now here at the more quiet part of the beach where not so many people are, and it's really astoundingly beautiful here. I mean, the beach is so white, so clean, and the cliffs are really huge. The nature is just hanging down there, and there are caves going in. It's like amazing. I have to say, I think it's the most beautiful beach I've ever been to actually, and it's really worth the trip. I think you have to pay like 200 baht to come in here actually, but still it's really nice. I think it's worth it. But you can't go swimming, so that's really lame because the water is actually so nice here. And it's
beautiful thing I've ever saw.
Crystal clear, nice temperature.
The camera gets it in. The color of the water reflects on the rocks, and with the green on top, it's amazing. And the view there, you can see some mountains. And today the sky is also really beautiful. There are no clouds.
A few clouds. So we're gonna go in this cave now, and I would love to go over there, but you are not allowed to go in the water, so we have to look.
Let's go. Not deep.
Not so deep.
Ah, easy. Do you fit?